The first time I heard of your product is when his friend introduced it to us. Kinuwento na sa amin yung naging effects sa kanya ng product nyo. He is diabetic and he was hospitalized because he is partially blind already. May gangrene yung lower extremities niya. And na 50-50 siya sa hospital. And then, he took complete 8 capsules a day, yung initial. Yun ang prescribe sa kanya. Ako yung doctor doon daw yung sa kanya yung nag-prescribe sa kanya. It was also a doctor. So, pinescribe siya ng 8 capsules a day. Tapos, after 3 days, nag-dry up daw yung niya, yung kanyang gangrene. So, hindi na amputate yung kanyang leg. And then, we tried the product first. Bumili siya ng leave-in, yung coffee nyo, and then yung complete. So, kasi noon may problem ako sa cyst. I have breast cyst. And then, may solid nodule. Multiple. And then, one of those was a solid nodule na kailangan nang i-operate. Kaya ayoko magpa-opera. So, I tried it. Kasi I saw it dun sa friend niya na ganun yung drastic yung recovery talaga niya. So, I tried it for yung 1 box lang din na. 1 box is 30 capsules lang. I tried it. Yung 1 box lang na yung inubos ko, nagpa-ultrasound ako. It turned out na negative na. Hindi na makita ng doctor sa ultrasound yung nodules. Kaya after that, tinuloy ko yung pag-drink ng complete.